What up, though? Roddy Rod, Big Business. One more for today. Speaking of fidget spinner, I just did the rapping longer than a fidget spinner from Mac Lethal. Now we have them boys. Have I ever reacted to any of them? I don't think I've ever reacted to any of their videos. Dude Perfect with the fidget spinner trick shots. Let's go, man. These guys are fucking amazing, dog. My brother put me up on them too.
Oh, she's humming. She's ready to let loose. This is the spin bender shot.
I still don't know what a fidget spinner is, man. How do these guys come up with this shit, man?
What's up, guys? We're doing perfect. Welcome to Fidget.
They see something new come on and say, you know what? Let's do some crazy shit with this. That looks dangerous.
This is the spinning Ninja Star sticker.
Yeah, it looks like a Ninja Star. Nice. And how many times I took that shit? That was nice. Whoa! Okay, that was the best one. That was the best one so far. What's the name of that shit? What is that they're using too to rev it up? That was nice. That was nice. That could have went anyway. Wow. Okay, that's new. They ain't gonna top that. No way.
This is the super speed spinning spinner strike slam and smash shot. Here we go.
Really though? Just because. There you go.
The Ninja Star Skeet Smacker.
Skeet. There. Oh, okay. Skeet ball. My bad. Whoa. Gold wins again. He knocked that bitch straight off too. He almost hit him. Damn, really? Huh? Okay. That long ass name. Oh, Ninja Star lost. Okay. Okay, I thought that was the DP one that lost. Like, dude.
Comment below and let us know. Is this really the low to high or the high to low? Here we go.
It's high to low. Okay. Oh, okay.
Experienced ninjas only.
Whoa.
This is the kick spin.
Okay. Oh, so they got a skateboard. My bad.
Don't want to miss our next video, Beach Stereotypes. It's gonna be a good one. Also, if you want
What
to see
stereotypes?
the spinner, click over here. And if you want to see the last video, click over here. Signing off for now. Spin it and buy it. I'm just kidding. You can if you want. We're kind of over it. Found it.
Man, these motherfuckers is too cool though. I swear to God, I wish I had some friends. I've been doing shit like that too. Alright, make sure y'all subscribe to Dude Perfect if you're not. That Dude Perfect with Fidget. That shit was good. Anybody let me know where the hell did these fidgets come from? What's going on here, alright? Please let me know in the comment section. You'll be my best friend, alright? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please, as always, thanks for watching. Big Business, I holla.